Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you does something have bloatware. If you're using any Samsung phone and you're looking for bloatware in your phone, so let's see how can you check that. If you have any pre-installed apps, for example in my phone there are Samsung and Microsoft pre-installed apps, and there are some Google apps which are pre-installed, and the Facebook and Spotify and much more apps which are pre-installed in the phone, and some apps are not removables. For example, in my case, I'm going to remove this news app. Just keep a long press on it, and here you can see that there is no any uninstall option. There you cannot remove or uninstall your settings app or contacts app, or it might be gallery app. You cannot uninstall these apps because these are your system apps, and impact on performance if you have removed or disabled any app from your system apps, so it will impact on your phone's performance. So that's how you can easily check that if your phone have bloatware. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.